look at that.
Wow!
It's gorgeous.
Finally, the first snow of the season.
So?
So what are we waiting for? Let's get out there.
Are you out of your mind? I'm not going anywhere.
Why not?
Because it's a blizzard.
Come on, it's a winter wonderland.
Then go walk yourself in it.
You think I won't? I love the snow. Did you know my father was half husky?
I know that you're half mad.
Ha ha!
Seriously, Dallas, you won't see anyone out in this weather today. It's not fit for man nor beast.
Who are you calling a beast?
Never mind. Oh, for goodness sake.
Well, what do you know?
Lily the Labradingle.
Actually, she's a Labradoodle.
I don't care if she's a cheese doodle. She's a show-off.
I'll give her a break. She's just full of energy.
And you're full of...
You guys want to go out?
I think it's time I showed Lily who the real snow dog is.
Oh, I gotta see this.
Wow, that's a lot of snow.
What are you waiting for?
Daisy, please. You know, from the couch, it doesn't look that deep.
6 inches is not deep.
It is when you're a pug zoo. Didn't they buy us those little doggy booties?
Oh, for crying out loud. Out of the way.
Daisy! It's not so bad.
Woohoo! How do I look?
You look like you ate a box of powdered donuts.
I wish. Uh-oh.
Hey, Lily! Where you going?
Well, aren't you the ladies' man?
Was it something I said?
Woohoo!
Ah!
Mush! Mush! Oh, my legs.
Come on, you can do it.
Oh,
That was refreshing. You know, I think you might have a future in dog sledding.
dog sledding. The only thing I have in my future is a nap.
You and me both.
When's the Iditarod?